This is one of our favorite ferns, and I hesitate to call it evergreen even though we're here in mid-January, because it's not evergreen. It's just tardily deciduous. It just keeps trying to hang on through the winter, but it will eventually, when the temperatures get down below 15, it will go to the ground. But what a neat fern. The interesting thing, Arachniodes means spider-like, is the genus. This is Arachniodes standishii. It's commonly called the upside-down fern. Well, why? Because it looks like the leaves are on backwards. So if we take a leaf and cut that off and turn it upside down, it looks just as good upside down as it does right side up. We're exposing the spore. This is how the ferns reproduce. And this is the almost as late as any fern produces spore. Typically they produce them in June, July, August. This one doesn't produce spores until December, January. So we'll be gathering these to produce new ones. This is a really neat fern. It does run, but it runs really slowly. So this patch would be about a 20-year-old patch. So it's moved to about 4 to 5 feet in width through that time. You can see some of the older leaves. These are several years old, so you can actually clean those up by just snapping those off at the base. And again, your plant looks like it's in the middle of summer. Now, if you get below 15, it will go ahead and go to the ground. But until then, up through most of the year, it looks pretty darn good. And then new growth comes back up in spring. So it's not quite an evergreen fern, but it's a darn fine good one.